Around September this year, he contacted Paulinus that he is aware of a building that they want to sell for 30 million. Paulinus told him he would be interested. Paulinus gave him 10 million, 10 million, 5 million, 5 million. That is 30 million naira. Instead of FA to buy the property, FA diverted the money and was using it to build his own house and also bought 2 other lands. When you
ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ìkànnì Ajiyara Malifa TV. Ẹ subscribe sí ìkànnì yìí, ẹ hàn notification button kẹ́ lè láǹfààní àti gbádùn wa síwájú sí i. Àjọṣepọ̀ wa la fi lè ṣe àṣeyọrí. A kú dédé àkókò yìí ní gbogbo tí a bá ti lórí ọ̀fẹ́ láti máa wo ìkànnì Ajiyara Malifa TV. Ojú tẹ́ fi ń wọ̀wọ́ ní fọ́, èyí tẹ́ fi ń gbọ́wọ́ ní di lágbára Ọlọ́run ọba. Kí máa fi àkókò yìí kí wa pé a kú ọdún, a kú ìyèdún. Ọlọ́run tó fún wa lórí ọ̀fẹ́ láti ọdún 2025 láyọ̀ àtàláfíà yóò fún wa lórí ọ̀fẹ́ láti rí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nínú ìrọ̀rùn nínú ìdẹ̀ra àti ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àrísìkí eléyìí tó pọ̀ láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Nígbà gbogbo ní gbogbo ìgbà ni mo máa ń sọ wípé ẹ dákun dábọ̀ lábẹ́ bó ti wù kó rí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lẹ́nìkan tá à ń fọ̀rọ̀ lọ̀ yàtọ̀ sí ẹni tó bá jẹ́ wípé ọ̀rọ̀ pawápọ̀ fún àpẹẹrẹ. Ìròyìn eléyìí ló ń jẹ́ kó yé wa wípé ní ìpínlẹ̀ Delta, iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ìpínlẹ̀ Delta wọ́n mà ti rọ́wọ́ tó àwọn kan tẹ́ ẹ bá gbàgbé ní nǹkan bíi oṣù kẹsàn-án ọdún 2024 ló jẹ́ wípé àwọn tí wọ́n jẹ́ kọ̀rọ̀sí kan nìròyìn ti gbé nígbà náà wípé wọ́n pa ọ̀rẹ́ wọn látàrí mílíọ̀nù lọ́nà ọgbọ̀n yẹn 30 million naira. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gan-an? Kí nìdí tó fi pa? Mo mọ̀ pọ̀ pọ̀ wa láti máa kà nínú ìròyìn, ṣùgbọ́n ẹni tó jẹ́ agbẹnusọ fún iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ìpínlẹ̀ Delta òun náà ló ti ń fi ọ̀rọ̀ náà jomi tó rọrọ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn tí wọ́n jẹ́ oníròyìn níbi tó ti ń fi ṣíṣọ lójú ọ̀rọ̀ náà bí ọ̀rọ̀ náà ṣe jẹ́ gangan bí wọ́n ṣe pa olóògbé yẹn tí wọ́n sọ sómi tí wọ́n dì í lókùúta kó má bàa wú. Ṣùgbọ́n Ọlọ́run kó jọ nínú àánú ẹ̀ kó gbà fún wa délẹ̀ kó má jẹ́ ká kú ká tó kú. Kó tó rí pé ọ̀rọ̀ náà ó padà jáde síta. Ẹ wo ẹnu ọlọ́fà tí ẹni ẹni mo ta ti máa ń dùn bí mo ṣe máa ń sọ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìṣe àti àṣà tèmi wípé ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ náà lẹ́nu iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ìpínlẹ̀ Delta. Mo bẹ́lọ̀ nínú àánú ẹ̀pọ̀ orí tèmi tí yóò ní gbàbọ̀dẹ̀ lábẹ́ bó ti wù kó kéré tó, aburú bó ti wù kó kéré kó tóbi tó kò ní kọ́gùn sí ẹ̀dẹ̀ tèmi tí yín. Tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ rẹ̀ tẹ́ ń darapọ̀ mọ́ ẹ subscribe sí ìkànnì yìí, ẹ hàn notification button, ẹ like, ẹ comment, ẹ share. Àjọṣepọ̀ wa tẹ́ rí yẹn náà la fi lè ṣe àṣeyọrí. Ẹ ṣé o, ẹ kú ìfẹ́.
million, that is 30 million naira. Instead of FA to buy the property, FA diverted the money and was using it to build his own house and also bought 2 other lands. I am SP Dafe Bright, and this is Delta State Police Command. Today we'll be having a very painful press briefing. It's quite unfortunate, but it's very important that we bring this out there for you guys to see. Here we have one suspect. His name is FA. This is an herbalist. This is one of the accomplices, and this is another of the accomplices. What did they do? This very guy had a friend called Paulinus. Around September this year, he contacted Paulinus that he is aware of a building that they want to sell for 30 million. Paulinus told him he would be interested. Paulinus gave him 10 million, 10 million, 5 million, 5 million. That is 30 million naira. Instead of FA to buy the property, FA diverted the money and was using it to build his own house and also bought 2 other lands. When it got to time for FA to show Paulinus the property he bought for him, he didn't know what to do. He became confused. He didn't know how to explain to Paulinus. He decided to kill him. FA contacted this man here for the sum of 450 to kill him. Somehow, this man declined. FA now contacted these persons we are seeing here in Otokutu. On the 3rd day, they now called FA that they are ready to kill him. FA now deceived Paulinus that they were going to a party. Paulinus came, they entered the vehicle, and they went to Otokutu. These guys, on seeing Paulinus, they quickly grabbed Paulinus, took him to Orere River in Otokutu, tied him to a stake. They tried to kill him, they couldn't kill him. While he was alive, they used machetes and they cut off his neck. They tied his body to a stone and threw it into the river and carried the head to the shrine that belongs to this man here, and his head was buried at the shrine.
Come on to your shirt.
Now which person head did you take? Now the boy head we carry copy.
What you be the boy name?
I don't know the boy name.
You what you be the name? police might be no. I don't know whether they carry any head coming. I don't know.
Well, initially we arrested Efe, who denied knowledge. And let me tell you what Efe did. After Efe must have killed him, Efe went back to the family and started collecting ransom, claiming that Paulinus was kidnapped. Efe collected a ransom of over 20.7 million naira. Efe is here, the other people are here. We were able to investigate, unravel the mystery behind the Indian numbers. We discovered that it was Efe who was also calling that he was kidnapped. Efe, what's your name? Okemute Gaga was the main suspect who we later got that eventually indicted Efe and told us how they killed Paulinus in that river, threw his body into the river and buried the head in the shrine. For want of time, we are going to interview Efe right now. What is your name?
Efe.
Try open your mouth to be Efe, Abi.
Efe.
Okay. How much Paulinus pay you for that property before you decide to kill her?
Everything at 30 million.
30 million. So why you choose to kill her?
I don't know. I want to explain the matter giver.
Okay, you don't know how you want to explain the matter giver. Okay, so these people, which of them you contact say me they help you kill Efe? Me they help you kill
I first contact that one.
No, leave that one. The other three, which of them you contact say?
Nine. I call contact.
Okemute. Okay, so when you contact, how much you pay Okemute to kill?
Everything one, yeah. Now 680,000.
You pay him 680,000.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So when he bring Paulinus give una, what you call do Paulinus?
My brother, Sunday Ikpeba.
Where Sunday Ikpeba?
Yeah.
How be this? Okay,
He cut tire.
Okay.
After the tire finish, also John there, so he come give me the collar. He say, "Oh, you cut am."
I just let it out give
yes, he come give me the collar. He say, "Oh, you cut am." Not I say, not me supposed to cut am. Now Sunday Ikpeba. Sunday Ikpeba, na come comot the hair.
Okay. Sunday Ikpeba, they say na you comot.
Na you cut am.
Okay. Like, as you can see, the both of them are dragging between who cut off Paulinus' head. But the long and short story of it all is that they chopped off his head, buried his head in the shrine belonging to this man. What's your name?
Lawrence Joseph.
Lawrence Joseph carried the head and buried the head in the shrine. Due to our intelligence-led investigation, we were able to arrest Efe, arrest Okemute, arrest the native doctor, arrest Ikpeba. And they are all here and they are going to dance to the tune of this music that they have played. You see why we always say be wary of the friends you keep. Be wary of the friends you keep. We should be very, very careful of our association and wherever we are going to. Paulinus just died for no reason. Paulinus died because he bought a property. Paulinus died because he trusted a friend. It's a pity, it's pathetic, but may God help us. Thank you.